In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web form in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use form that can capture leads directly into your CRM without any fuss. Make sure you're logged into your account and you have access to the Leads section. Start by heading to the left-hand sidebar and clicking on Leads. This is your hub for everything related to incoming opportunities, and it's where web forms live. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Inside the Leads area, look for web forms on the left pane and give that a click. This takes you to the dedicated space where all your forms are listed and managed. If this is your first time here, you'll see a prompt to get going. Click Continue to Web Forms to get started. That opens up the form creation flow so you can choose what kind of form you want. Select the web form type that best matches your goal. You might see options like a simple lead capture or other presets. Pick the one that aligns with the information you want to collect. Whether you choose a template or a basic form, click Create Form to open the editor. Now you're in the editing environment where you can tailor the form to your needs. Adjust field labels so they're clear, remove anything you don't need, and keep the number of fields to the essentials. Shorter forms tend to convert better. You can rearrange the order of fields, mark important ones as required, and personalize text like the title and description to set expectations for visitors. If branding matters, consider updating colors or adding a logo so the form feels consistent with your website or campaign. As you fine-tune, think about the path your lead takes. Make it easy, friendly, and quick to complete. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll be prompted to name the form. Choose a clear, memorable name that reflects where or how you'll use it, such as the campaign or page it belongs to. Good naming makes it easier to find and manage your forms later. And that's it. You've created a web form in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. From here, you can come back to this area anytime to tweak the form, keep the fields up to date, or duplicate it for similar campaigns. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, go ahead and set up your next form using the same flow to keep your lead capture simple and consistent.